can imagine what's happening here. A whole house, a whole lot of houses, people, shops, businesses destroyed in this place right now. We've lost a whole lot of lives. This trailer failed brake and it's exploded right here in this junction in the community in Agatu local government, Oshigbudu to be precise. And this is the federal highway. Actually the junction to Obagaji local government, which is the local government headquarters. This trailer is blocking the highway actually, and a lot of people have been displaced in this community. You can see what is happening. You can see a whole lot of people out here. You can see businesses. The fuel actually floats down into the adjoining building here. You can see houses destroyed down here like this. Houses burnt. People died in this whole thing, in this whole carnage. You can see bikes. You can see there are shops behind the truck, and a whole lot. We don't know the extent yet to which the damages are. We don't know how many lives. We don't know people are missing in this community right now. We are calling on NEMA. We are calling on the federal government, the state government. We are calling on every good spiritual individual to come to the aid of the people right now to help us. This is an emergency situation. We need an emergency right now. Agatu, Oshigbudu community precisely is on fire, and the people are in disarray. Please, we need the quickest way of emergency and relief in this community, for this community and for these people right now. Please, this is bad. Lives, properties, businesses, people have been displaced. Thousands and hundreds of buildings have been burnt in this place due to this kind of. Please, and please, the federal government, the state government, and every concerned individual should come to this community right now for the rescue of these people. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Please, 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 please. We need all the help we can get right now. We need all the assistance we can get right now. This is bad. This is as worse as it can get.